Hey everyone, and so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change and clean out your Winix air filter. So what you want to do first is go ahead and unplug it and make sure it's turned off. And so as you can see here, mine hasn't been cleaned out in about 6 months. The filter that I'm going to be using is this one here. So I'll leave a link to this down below in the description. But first what you want to do is go ahead and grab your vacuum and start vacuuming the top. And so with that, once you pop the air filter open, this is what this one looks like. As you can see, it's extremely dirty. This top layer that you see here, this can actually be washed out, okay? Same thing with the carbon filter that you see here. This can be washed out. But as far as this one here goes, this one here, you are going to throw away. So that's exactly what we'll do. We'll trash this one. We'll go ahead and hose these two down. You can kind of see how dusty this one is. But let's go ahead and actually do that right now. So yeah, as I've said, the carbon filter and both the front filter can actually be washed. So that's what we're going to do here. Before you put this back in your air filter, you just want to make sure that it's completely dry. So an easy way to clean this is just to make sure that depending on where the air flows, because the air was flowing from where I am forward, that's the kind of direction that you want to spray your water at so that the dust actually falls off. So again, just make sure that this is completely dry before you actually put it back in. I'll leave this here for quite a bit and just let it completely dry off.